a test. Right now it is scheduled for Friday, but I'm pretty sure that we're going to have it on Friday. I'm sorry, it's scheduled on Monday. That's how it is in Canvas, but I think we're going to have it on Friday.
This Monday or next?
Stop talking, Ben. I love you, but no. So, I will review with y'all tomorrow. If we're like, hey, listen, we're good, we're going to just have the test on Friday. This is the majority of the test here. Okay, we're only doing one new thing today. That's it.
Can I do number one?
I'd love for you to. What are you going to do?
First, find the coefficient.
The balance point. Cool. Good talk.
Which
The
is
balance point. Go ahead. Then what?
Then, if you observe the balance point, you can see that it's a thing and the line.
Come on, Ben. Hey,
So
come on. Go ahead.
So now you see the constant on both, and you combine them on both sides.
How do I do that?
Inverse operations.
So what am I doing? Am I moving the 15 or am I moving the 28?
You see that the plus is in front of the 28,
Yep.
so that means it's a positive. So you have to go from a positive. You have to then subtract from that
Very good.
to get rid of it, because all things must be equal.
Yep.
And so then you then subtract from that the 15 2.
Okay. What's that give me?
A -7.
No.
I mean, -13.
Good. Okay. Yeah. So -13 is less than or equal to what drops down?
Is less than or equal to x.
X,
or
okay.
Also known as 1x.
Now what?
Since it's
Where's the variable?
the variable is on the right side,
Do we
so
want
we
that?
have to flip it over because
Good.
we don't know that.
So here's my x. There's my nose. Don't do it because you. Yeah. Okay. So here's my x. My nose still goes with the number. X is now over here, but my nose stays with the number. So now I have it like this. The variable has to be on the left. Ben, thank you for doing that, buddy. Hey, that wasn't bad, really. That was good.
Thank you. Can I do the next one?
If you can be a little bit more concise, yes. But we're not done. Closed circle or open circle?
Open. I mean closed.
Closed. Why?
Because it has a line under it.
Yeah, because it has the equal to sign underneath it. But that means that we are including -13 in the answer. The nose goes this way, so we shade that way. Did you get new shoes?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Are those, what, a leopard print?
Yeah.
They're Adidas.
That's awesome. They are. Good.
Your shoes
Okay,
match
Ben,
your shirt.
huh?
Your
What?
shoes match your shirt.
They do. And my socks match my shoes. It's the Ravenclaw socks.
Is that a Chiefs sock?
No, I just said it was a Ravenclaw sock.
But the Ravens are part of the Chiefs now.
No, they're not.
Yeah, that happened.
Ravenclaw. Harry Potter. Wizard.
Yeah, they did the sponsor.
Expected Patron.
Avada
Oh, wait,
Kedavra.
better. Silencio.
Avada Kedavra.
Oh, it
No.
works.
That's not nice.
Oh.
Okay, Ben, you said you wanted to do this number 2. Walk me through it, my man.
Okay, number 2.
Still.
What?
Come on, Ben.
First, the constants you can combine.
Balance point. Great job, Ben.
Find the balance point.
Okay, Ben, I'm with you.
Now you see the two constants.
What are my two constants?
The 3 and the 11.
Okay, do I want to move the 11 to the 3 or the 3 to the 11?
The 3 to the 11.
How do I do that, Ben?
Because the 11 is bigger and
That has
there's a
no,
flag.
has nothing to do with bigger. The goal is to get the x by itself, so we're moving things away from the x.
Yeah.
3 is on the same side,
Yeah.
so it has nothing to do that it's bigger.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do I move a positive 3?
You use inverse operations and subtracting it by 3.
Good, so we subtract 3 from both sides.
Or add by -3.
Or the add by the negative 3, because that's the additive inverse. Very good, Ben. So now, I love what you said there. Negative x divided by 3 is less than or equal to, that gives me 8.
And so you see.
I do see. Very
that,
well, I had eye surgery.
So since it's a negative x, it's a -3.
Mhm.
You'd have to use inverse operations to do multiplication and division to multiply by a negative. By -3 on both sides, giving you -24. And even though the thing's on the same side, since you multiply both sides by negative, you'd have to change the operating sign.
Beautiful, sir. But the operation sign, the inequality sign.
Inequality side.
So it's getting flipped
Exactly.
because we multiplied by a negative. Ben, once again, very good job, sir.
Can I do the next one?
No. Negative 24, negative 25, negative 23. And I'm just worried that your voice you won't be able to talk as loud when you need to for soccer tonight. So I just wanted to say, I want you to save your voice.
I don't talk that loud. The loud
Close circle,
parts-
open circle, Abby.
Close circle.
Because
Because it's equal to.
because it's equal to, and negative 24 is part of our solution. Nose goes that way. Okay, here we go. It's going to be important for today. So even though we have a balance point, we're going to cover up one side to make it try to trick our brains. After step 1 of the balance point, step 2 is distribute if needed. Y'all, we need to. There's a number smack dab up against parentheses. Again, even when I do this, I'm pretty good at math, I don't need to. I do this for you. Some of you still don't do this, and then you forget positives and negatives. I'm doing 5 multiplied by 2x, which is 10x's. 5 multiplied by negative 10 is negative 50 minus 15x.
50? Did you just say 50?
50. Street cred. It's the streets of Winnebago, Ben. Yes, T.
50.
At the end, can I ask a question on two?
Yeah. What? We'll pause. Go ahead, ask.
I was gonna say, like, if you multiply negatives, do you also flip it? Because, like, I got x is less than 24.
So we multiply both sides by a negative 3. When that happens, whether we multiply or divide both sides by a negative, we have to flip the inequality.
Okay.
Good question. Step 3, combine like terms. I got 10x's. I got negative 15x's. That's negative 5x's minus 50. And then I have greater than 50. So now, like Ben has said multiple times, he's like, hey y'all, we're looking for the constants. Because you're right, we are looking for the constants. Our constants are negative 50 and positive 50. So we're trying to isolate the x, which means we are moving everything to the other side. So I'm using the inverse operation. Ben, you use great mathematical language, man. Negative 50 plus 50, that's the additive inverse, leaves me negative 5x is greater than 100. From there, I divide by negative 5. I'm dividing both sides by a negative, which means the inequality flips. That gives me x is less than a negative 20.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say this since my brain is delayed, but my voice can't get tired because I'm a teen, man.
And then we have our graph, which is negative 20. Oh, Ben, I love you. So then we have this, open circle, because we're not including negative 20. Going this way. Go ahead and get out your homework, please. It was numbers 1 through 10.
Yes.
Okay, what about the homework we did before? We had homework, right?
We had classwork. We did that in class.
I
Mr.
finished
H, can I
the
go flip my
homework.
Mm-hmm. Have your homework out first.
Yes, sir.
So let me see your homework. No?
I
can
got
get
it.
it. Stop shaking it. Yes. T, you've got it. Ben, do you have it?
I can go
Yeah,
flip my
I do.
line, correct?
Yes. Go ahead and get it out, Ben. Come on, Ben. Ben.
I got it.
Okay, so I will gladly go over any of these, but what I'd like you to do is take a look at the answer key, pass that around, because it's easier for you to see what it is and then say, hey, I missed this one. Can you help? Absolutely. Are we good with what's on the board? Did anybody get all 3 of those right?
Yeah,
Nice. Caleb, yeah? Did you get 2 or 3?
I got 2. Well, I basically got 3.5 because I got that kind of right.
Yep.
I just
3.5? There was only 3 problems.
No, 2.5.
Okay, good. You see your mistakes.
Yes.
Starting to make a little bit more sense?
Yeah.
Not too hard? T, how about you, brother?
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, what? Like, T, you gotta give me more than that, man. Give me a little more than that. What?
I keep on flipping it 3 times, like, because you said,
Come
like,
on.
having the x on the left side's better,
No, not better. It should be on the left side, yes.
but it's always on the right side for me. And I flip it, but I also flip, like, the way it looks, and now I messed up a lot. I don't know how to explain it. But.
Okay. So after you're done taking a look at the homework, we're doing one last little bit of notes. It is let's try again. Slow down. Inequalities, variables on both sides, not both, both. And yes, I know that we did this yesterday, but I want you to do it again today. Special note number 1. variables should be on the left. That's number one. Variables should be on the left. So get your notes out. This is what we're doing. So I'm going to give you plenty of time to work on your homework for today. Special note number 2. And again, I know, yes, we did these yesterday. There is a rule in teaching called, it's the rule of 7. 7 times writing something down starts to insert a memory. Okay? It's 1,000 hours, actually it's either 1,000 or 10,000 hours of practice to become a master at something. But obviously I don't think you're going to do 10,000 hours of inequality work. But if I can at least start to build some memories, that's what we're looking for. Okay? So, write it down again. I know, write it down again even though you've already done it. Yes, Caleb, including you. Mr. I don't want to come and say hi to Mr. H at a dance. Or thank Enoch for saving him. It's alright, huh?
Or just walk right out of the classroom.
Or like right out of the classroom. Like
Disrespectful.
it is so disrespectful. Like utterly disrespectful. Do you do that in other
His parents are
classes?
gonna see the video.
Yeah.
I hope your parents see the video. I hope they're like, what do you mean you're walking
you
out
were
of class?
filming.
I mean, no.
You weren't
No,
filming. No, not now, but when you
Is
walked out.
special
I
note-
know. What?
Is special note number 2 when multiplying and dividing by with a negative on both sides, you should flip the sign.
Not should. When
You have-
multiplying
you have-
or dividing by a negative on both, not both this time. Both is variables on both sides. We're going to put both sides. Your parents are like, what is wrong with this guy? A lot. Just in case you're wondering, there's a lot wrong with me. But it's alright. When multiplying and dividing by a negative on both sides. Go ahead and flip what, Ben?
Flip the
Can you read your writing?
the sign.
The inequality. Good.
Inequality.
Yeah, you knew what you were talking about, Ben. You knew what you were talking about, Ben. I would like you to have both of these notes again. Who has my answer key? You do. Did you check them?
Oh,
Great.
oh.
And did you check your answers?
I did not.
Wow, that was
Pretty good,
aggressive.
too.
You gave it to Caleb. He wasn't here. He was out and about. That was an aggressive slamming your pen down on your notebook. You angry?
I was just doing this, like,
Obviously angry. Okay,
No.
fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. I get it. I understand why I would make you angry. I do.
So does anyone have a spare rib cage?
So Ben.
You won't be able to post this.
Here we go. Yeah, well, I don't care. Here we go. So, let's talk about easy things. So we have 5x minus 9 is less than 8x plus 18. So when we talk about variables on both sides, all of our steps still stay the same. Okay? So we should have both special notes copied down. We should have this problem. It says 5x minus 9 is less than 8x plus 18. Nothing about this is any different than solving an equation. Now, we want to remember special note number 1. The variable should end up on the left side. Okay? So I'm going to find my balance point. Nothing to distribute because there's no parentheses. I cannot combine anything on the same side, but I can combine variables on opposite sides. In this case, I want everything on the left side. So I need to move this positive 8x over here. In order to do that, it's a positive 8x. So we subtract the 8x on both sides. 8 minus 8 is 0. That's the additive inverse. That leaves me negative 3x minus 9 is less than positive 18. Okay? In equations, I didn't care which way you moved the variable. For inequalities, I want the variable on the left. So now, like Ben was saying on the warm-up, we're going to combine the constants. It's a negative 9. The inverse is adding 9. Negative 9 plus 9, additive inverse, that's 0. Brings me negative 3x's is less than 27. Have I lost anybody up to this point?
Alright, answer.
You know the answer?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
X is more than -6.
More than. So now we're going to divide both sides by -3.
Just.
So a negative and a negative are getting divided,
Oh, wait.
which means we need to immediately flip the sign. Negative divided by a negative is +1. 27 divided by -3 is -9. So x is greater than.
I added and I subtracted
Sorry?
instead of added.
So now go ahead. T.
So you don't move the whole thing, like you don't flip the variable
No.
on the number. That's what I
Just the inequality.
did. Okay.
Flip the inequality symbol. How's that?
Yay.
Will that help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Open circle. Shading this way. There's a look of confusion on your face.
No, I just couldn't see for a second.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Do you mind if I stay after school for like half an hour with you today?
I have duty after school,
I do mind.
so I will not be here because I'm outside doing my duty. But I'm here every morning. Those are my help sessions.
Alright,
Here we go.
thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm here next week, but I have after school duties this week. Let's do this one. Little bit tricky. Let's go 5 times 2x minus 9 plus 3 is less than or equal to 12. Actually, let's make it, nope, stop it, Mr. H. You stop it. -8x, nope, stop it, Mr. H. Pause. I'm trying to figure out in my head. What are you
Got it.
doing?
I'm just looking at my calculator.
-4 times 2x minus 6. Okay, so this is a little bit more, and I'm hoping that it gives us a whole number. I'm just making these problems up in my head, so I'm trying. So, first step, can we see all this? Oh man, come on, Mr. H. Balance point. So now I'm going to cover up one side, because my brain works better only seeing half.
I didn't copy the other.
So we're going to uncover it so that Abby can copy it all down.
Go.
I didn't.
No, it's fine. Okay, so we're here. So balance point was step 1. Step 2. Mr. H, what steps are you talking about? The same 6 steps that I made you write down and that you have on a sheet, or you should have on a sheet because I gave it to you. So step 2 is distribute if needed. Well, I need to. There's a number smack dab up against parentheses. I'm taking this 5, multiplying it by 2x is 10x. I'm taking this 5 and I'm multiplying it by a -9, which is -45. The 3 comes down. Step 3, combine like terms on the same side. -45 plus 3, so 10x comes down. That gives me -42. And it's not going to work. Mr. H, you knucklehead. I screwed it up. Okay.
Yes.
Actually, but I'm going to make a quick fix. We're going to make that a positive for you. That way it works. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure that we have a nice whole number and not a fraction. So now we cover up the other side. So now I'm distributing this 4 to the 2x, which is 8x. This 4 to a -6, which is -24. Still have less than or equal to. What questions do we have so far? Hey, Mr. H, I don't understand how you got that. Like, really, where are we struggling? We good? Okay, so now we're going to combine variables on both sides. It's step 4. I'm moving my variables to the left this time. Why? Because the variable should be on the left. So I'm subtracting 8x from both sides. Yeah, that gives me 2x. -42 is less than or equal to -24. So I have a balance point. Now I'm combining the constants. Ben did a great job telling us about combining the constants. -42 plus 42 is the additive inverse. That becomes 0. 2x drops down. Is less than or equal to, and I believe -24 plus 42 is 18. Somebody should double check my math, please. -24 plus 24 plus 42
-24 plus 22.
plus 42. Double check my math, I'll do it. Don't worry.
No, that's not right.
Okay, perfect. Then we divide by 2. We're dividing by a positive 2, nothing happens. X is less than or equal to 9. Now when we graph, I've got my 9, I've got my 10, I've got my 8. Closed circle because of the equal to sign. That means that 9 is part of my solution set. And then we shade towards the notes. What questions do we have?
How would negative 24 plus 42 be 9? Because it's the same.
It's not 9, it's 18.
I mean 18 because 2 plus 4 would equal 2.
But you're not adding them, buddy. You're at negative 24 and then you have to move 42 on the positive side. So when you have different signs like that, you subtract. So it would be 42 minus 24, which is 18, and then you put the sign of the bigger number, which is the 42.
42 minus 24. Oh,
Questions?
Right.
Okay, so right now your homework is 11 through 20 on that same sheet. Okay? They're a little bit more in-depth problems. They're 11 through 20. I'll gladly help you. Good job, y'all.
42 through 20.